In this chart, we solve derivative problem. Here question is compute the derivatives of tan x from the first principle. Here they are given a trigonometric ratio. Assume that it has f of x is equals to tan x. F of x is equals to tan x. In the question they are mentioning from we are using first principle. From the first principle, okay, from the first principle, what is the first principle? Add h to the functions. F of h plus x plus h is equals to tan of x plus h. Then the derivation f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is the first principle. Okay. Limit h tends to 0. Here function is tan. So tan of x plus h minus tan x divided by h. Limit h tends to 0. We can divide tan as sin x plus h divided by cos x plus h minus sin x divided by cos x. 1 by h it can be written as 1 by h. Limit h tends to 0 1 by h. Here LCM is cos x into cos x plus h sin x plus h into cos x minus sin x into cos x plus h. This is in the form of sin of a minus b. Limit h tends to 0 1 by h into sin of x plus h minus x divided by cos x into cos of x plus h. Here h cancel. The expression is like this. We can separate limit. Here we separate limit and apply h is equals to 0. Denominator is cos x into cos x. Cos x is secant square